All right, gentlemen. So you should have Math Task 5 in front of you. And one of the first things I want to make sure you understand is what my goal for you is in mathematics. I want you to feel good in class every day and feel like you are finding success. But while you're finding success, part of that is going to be a productive struggle. You're going to have to struggle sometimes so that you can make progress, not struggle just staring at a problem with no idea what to do, but maybe a really challenging problem. But you use some of the standards of mathematical practice to not just sit there and give up, but to find ways, think about what resources you can use and what skills do you have to try to attack a challenging problem. So my goal for you is to every day feel like you've had some success, but also so that you've had some productive struggle, so that you can go to whatever high school you want to go to. And not only go there, but be successful. I don't care what high school you go to. That's between you, your parents. CP can help with that. I just want you to be able to be successful once you get there. So that's my thought every single day when I walk into the classroom with you. So that will determine what I say to you, what I plan for you. And you can always, give me feedback on what's working and what's not. But that's where I'm coming from. And I want you to think about what your goal is. That's my goal. What's your goal? What do you want to try to accomplish this week? Maybe it's use a resource to help you solve a challenging problem. Maybe it's not give up when something is difficult. Maybe it's participate 2 or 3 times. What do you want to do? So you can fill that top part out. And we want to start moving now from this idea of thinking about the Black Panther family. We talked about the ancestral plane a little bit this week. And what we have a picture here of is a genogram, which is a little bit different than an ancestral plane in that these are the people that are just blood related to you. They might, have passed away. You might be close to them. You might not. But in terms of your genetics, like you studied in science last year, you have the genes of a mother and father, and they have the genes of a mother and a father, and it keeps going back generations. And I want you just to kind of look at this and see if you notice a pattern. See if there's anything that you notice about each generation, what happens, and maybe a question. So on here, write one thing you notice on your sheet and one thing you wonder. And you can write more than one if you like. When you're done with that, you're going to be doing a card sort. You have an envelope of cards, and you and a partner are going to be, a partner that I assign you, are going to be trying to create 2 categories of cards, and I'll talk a little bit about that. But that's going to be your task number 5. So these 2 questions you're going to answer after you finish the card sort, and that will be task number 5.